Hi guys, we're back out with the DJI MINI 4 Pro, and today we came out, but it's been raining off and on for a few minutes, and the sky is pretty nasty. Anyways, what we want to do today is we want to do another active track and just show you how the active track is working. There's not much light out here. Like I said, there's barely a sun. You can see it actually up there beaming through the clouds. Anyways, let's get started. We'll draw a box around ourselves. Okay. We'll hit go. And in the left-hand corner, we're going to tap that. Okay, gonna tap it again. They're showing you what you need to do. So, we're just gonna take our finger and from the outside circle, or actually it's from the inside circle. Okay, now we're gonna draw another one up to here, and let's see what the drone does. I really like this new feature, you know, where you can just kind of draw it, you know, from the outside circle. Actually, let's put this in the inside circle. Okay, now let's take that and swing it up to the left. Let's see if the obstacle avoidance is going to kick in. She's backing up to the trees. Put her in behind me. Watch the tree. Watch the tree. She came really close to these trees right up here. Very, very close in here. Okay, we're gonna take her through here. See how she does. See if she's gonna stay with me. See if that obstacle avoidance is working. I know last night there, the sensors weren't picking up very well. Now, we have this area here. I'm wondering if we can actually get through there. I'm gonna do it slowly here, and let's see if she's gonna follow. Yeah, she's going down. Let's see if she's gonna come through. Oh, she's coming through, guys. Very tight space. She's keeping an eye on me very, very tight. She's lowering down. She's coming through. My God, that was amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Let's put her in front and you can see where she just came through. Let's put her behind me. Put her behind me so that you can see where we just came through. This is where we took her through, guys. That was very tight. And you know, the light was very low in here. I'm not sure last night when I done this, it was early evening. And I would like to think that deep within these trees, it was also a little bit dark. And yet she followed me through. It's 2 in the afternoon. I don't know if that makes a difference. Anyways, let's keep playing with this obstacle avoidance. Oh, she's close to a tree. She's keeping an eye on me. Look at the trees. Beautiful colors here. She's doing a great job. I mean, last night the sensors weren't getting enough light and she just wouldn't follow. Today it's kind of gloomy, but you know what? She's following. Okay, let's see if we can get her in front of us. Let's see if she's gonna swing around. Oh, there was a tree there. There was a tree there. Oh, she is right in front of us. Perfect. Very nice, Mini 4. Okay, there's a tree there. She's behind a sign. She's behind a sign there. Okay, we're gonna head this way. Let's see what she's gonna do. Okay, we're gonna go through the playground here. Let's see what she does. Oh, she swung around. Let's see what she does through here. Oh, she came around and she dropped altitude. Oh, she's keeping an eye on me. She has the swings in her way. Well, this is pretty amazing, guys. This active track is really amazing. Look at that, she went around the tree. Oh, she's changing positions. Wow. Okay, let's put her behind us. I'll tell you guys, this active track is really something. Okay, we have another low hanging branch. Let's see what she does in here, guys. Can she make it through? Where is she? I think I may have stumped her. I stumped her. Okay, we got her down lower. Let's see if we can take her through this tight space. Oh, she made it through, guys. She made it through. Well, that was the first spot there that I actually stumped her. Yeah. So it is possible that to lose her, but I'm telling you, she is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, here, we got to get down low. What's going to happen? Oh, she's stumped again. She's spotting me. She's looking for a way out. She's looking for a way out, and away she came. Wow, perfect. Okay, guys, I think I've done enough testing of the active track for today. It is. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing.